Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change Android color back to normal. So you have to open the phone settings of Android device. So when it's open the settings, so there is the option of brightness and display. So you can see there is the option is screen color temperature. So now it will be cooled. So you have to this chain into the default in the center. So on in the default it's mean the normal color. So if you want to if you want to like warm color, so this status bar you have to go to the on warm bar. So it will be, this is how to back color of display to normal. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.